Next, I visited the Montserrat Springs Hotel. The Montserrat Springs Hotel was once a premier destination here, renowned for its exclusive ambience and natural thermal springs. In its heyday, the hotel attracted illustrious guests, including members of the Rolling Stones. The hotel is now abandoned because of the eruptions, and the structure is now a ruin, serving as a reminder of the island's past. There's ash covering a lot of the hotel, but it has mostly been reclaimed by nature or broken down by the elements.